Hi, this is Rock. I'm excited to talk with you about the today and now functions. Very fun. Let's take a look. So if I type today, this function needs no arguments. So you can just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And that gives me today's date. The great thing about this is that if I open this spreadsheet tomorrow, it will have tomorrow's date. It's not static, it's volatile. In other words, it can change. It also gets recalculated every time you hit enter on your spreadsheet, which means you want to be careful about not overusing this because it does use the resources in your spreadsheet. You can change the format to however you want that format of that date to be. But just know that when you show this, and obviously I recorded this on August 25th, which is a Monday, when you show this, it's going to have today's time on it. So that's how that works. So the now function is very similar to the today function, except you just type now and open and close parentheses. Again, no argument needed. You hit enter, and that is essentially a timestamp. You might want to change the format of this. I tend to like to use the AM PM, but generally I think up here in time, there's one that has a date in time. This is the one I like to use for a timestamp. It's got the month, day, year, and it's got the time in AM PM nomenclature. So I'm going to click on that. This is a great way to keep track of a date and time in Excel. I've used this to do timestamps for different actions, or whether I'm running a macro, or sometimes if I've got something that when you take a screenshot of it, let's say it's a set of data, I'm going to do just a quick set of data here, where if I wanted to make sure that this had the, if I select this, my data here with the timestamp and copy that, and I'm pasting it into, let's say, a PowerPoint slide or something like that, this timestamp can stay with that and show when that data was used. So now and today are both very useful functions as timestamps. So that's it for today and now. Next, we're going to look at time-based functions for hour, minute, and second. See you then.